Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. The Elevation truck is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged Duramax Diesel engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks, and mirrors, drivability dial, push-button 4x4 and automatic headlights with fog lights. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel as well with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter, push-button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated seats as well. Integrated trailer braking system, auto stop start, dual USB ports. All black interior to the truck here as well. And our heated cloth seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner AT tires. Color mounted door handles with keyless entry. Elevation on the front door, Duramax Turbo Diesel on the front fender. Coming to the front, a color matched blacked out grille with all black elevation, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way to the back of the vehicle, rear tinted privacy windows. X31 off-road package does get you the dual exhaust tips coming out of the rear color matched bumper with trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and their GM MultiPro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready as well. In-seat storage feature, a solid rear window with defrost and extra headroom over top. Solid roof, no sunroof. We do have LED lighting as well as USB ports for your rear passengers. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. For any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.